Hello students, welcome to Rasa International School online classes. This is your first practical class, as in the previous class you have learned the theory of Microsoft Word. So here in this class we will learn practically how to work in MS Word. So first we need to understand the tabs. So these are the tabs: home, insert, page layout, references, mailing, review and view. So first we need to understand the home tab, because it is very essential part, and it is common tool. Actually it has common tools by which you can create a document. So we will go, if I am writing here like this, so this is your text. You can bold it. These are the tabs. You can bold, italic and underline this text. So first you can choose a style of this text. You can have so many styles. Here I'm selecting this. So first we need to select this and then change the style like this. You can minimize or maximize the size from this. So if you are doing this, you can increasing the size. If you are doing this, you are decreasing the size. Like I'm selecting this, I've selected this. I can make this bold by this. By clicking once it is selected, and by clicking twice it is deselected. This is on and this is off. These tags are on off tags. If I make it italic, this, it is like this. This is deselecting. If I'm making this underline, you can select the design of underline like this, or you can use all three together like this. Here we go with the next part. Like if I'm writing here, so if I'm selecting this, it will write like this. Select. It is write like this. If I select center, then it will write from this side. If I select right alignment, it will start writing from right. If I select justify, then it will write from the left to right, the whole place like this. You can choose. So now we will learn about the paragraph, and if I want some bullet, so you can choose designs of bullet from this, like computer, Hindi, English, okay. And you can select like this also. You can select like ABCD, this also. You can make designs from this, like these are the designs, okay. So if you're writing something here and you are selecting this one like this, so it is like okay. So now you will understand how to make this. The next is page paragraph. So by selecting this, By selecting the paragraph, you have this pop-up window, and here you can see the alignments. Alignment we have used justify, and these are the left and right spacing. Okay, so here is the spacing before and after. So when you are writing a paragraph, it will specify the space between the lines, or space from the left side or right side. Okay, now we will go with the insert tab. In the insert tab, there are so many, you can see so many tools are there. Like, you can insert a table, picture, clip art, shapes, smart art, chart, or screenshot. So if I'm selecting a table, you can select how many rows or column you want, like this. So table is here. I'm writing text here. I'm writing text here. Class 6th, 7th and 8th. Okay, so by this you can have a table. You can design table like this. You can change the style of table. Okay, so in the next we will add a picture. How we add a picture in our document? By this, if I'm selecting from this and I selected one picture like this, so picture is selected and we place the picture here. Okay, you can select clip art. If I'm selecting clip art, here is a lots of clip art will come. If I'm selecting Indian flag, like I have selected this book. Okay, so you can select clip art, anything from the clip art. Next is shapes. You can select shapes from here, like I'm selecting a circle and I'm making circle here. Whatever I want to do here, so I've selected, and I've selected the color. Okay, so in insert, and next is smart art. Smart art, you can select the shapes like this, cycle, process, so many options are there. You want to make this, you can design your document by this. Okay, and you can fill text from here like this. If you are representing a subject chart, then English. Okay, and this is your computer. So by this way you can select or design. Okay, if you wanna add some chart, so these are the chart: line, pie chart, bar chart. So by selecting these chart, you can represent your data. It's taking too much time. So if you have some data in your Excel sheet and you want to access them and you want to represent as a chart, so you can represent like this. Okay, so here it is, your chart well prepared. You have added chart. So we will go with the next topic, like header and footer. By using header like this, you have design for header. If I'm choosing header, so header, it is the top of the page, so you can type headline here. If I'm writing, okay, you can put a header to a page, or footer. In footer section you can write, if I'm inserting footer like this, I have inserted footer, so you can type Fatehpur Sikri as an address. Okay, next is you can add a page number at the bottom of the page, top of the page or bottom of the page, wherever you want. So like this, I want like this, so I've chosen. You can see here is your page number is coming. Okay, so and you can add word art. You can add insert word art like this, and you can design your text, whatever you are writing here. Like if I'm writing here, so your text is like this. So you can design your text, you can change the color or anything you want to. Thank you so much, students.